Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Luke, and I'm joined with Joseph. And today we got another person with us, Michael.
Hey.
And today we're going to do the random taste test challenge. Mistake me if I'm not in the comments. And so in this, we're going to be blindfolded. Someone else is going to go get something randomly from the fridge, and then they're gonna come in here, and feed it to us, and we have to guess what that is. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna be giving him the spoonful of something. So let's go take a look. There's a lot of stuff in here.
What about horseradish?
Quiet. Don't be quiet. What is it? Let's see what's I'm not using this. I'm taking I don't want anyone to use it on these. I'm gonna go with this.
Horseradish. Going with a horseradish.
Actually, I'm gonna pick something else. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna get something to go under it. Spill all over my room. It is, let's see, apple cider vinegar. Shake it up. There we go.
Should we call the guy in?
Let's go.
Joseph.
Get ready.
Joseph. Joseph, where are you? Joseph.
We're coming in.
Joseph.
Oh. My name not Jeff.
Joseph, are you awake?
Yeah. Open wide. wait. I just thought. What is it? What could it be? It's a dressing, right?
Any type of sauce.
Dressing sauce? Except for molasses. But it's a dressing vinegar. Sauce, right?
Yes.
Half, kind of. Some people, but not a lot. Caesar salad dressing?
No.
No, you have 3 tries. I forgot to say that.
Vinegar?
What type?
Be Pacific. You have one more guess.
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you give up?
I thought there was only one vinegar.
Do you give up?
Yeah.
Take your blindfold off.
It was
Apple
apple
cider
cider
vinegar.
vinegar.
Okay.
When I say vinegar, I mean like every vinegar. We cannot use this anymore because we already used it on me.
Pour apple cider vinegar.
So let's see what's in the fridge.
Remember, no garlic stuff. And then we also X'd out molasses because that thing is horrible. Okay, so
Let's do this.
wait, no, this. What is that? Teriyaki? I don't know if that's good to. I don't know if we can.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's close it. Let's do this.
let's grab this
Stool.
and put this under. Put this under.
I know. You're gonna.
Remember, don't let it spill.
I'm trying not to. I'm scared.
Oh, I forgot. You gotta shake that. Oh, never mind. It's fine.
It's like way too much.
Okay. You can pour some back in if you want.
Of course.
That looks so, that looks really weird. Okay, so we can no longer use this. Hey! 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 You forgot something.
Are you ready?
You ready?
Blindfolded?
You ready, Michael? I'll take that as a yes. Hello.
Who's there?
Me.
Oh.
It's me. Hello. No.
There. Okay. Ready to taste it?
Open your mouth. Tastes good? Does it taste bad? Oh, I thought that would taste good.
I know it's a salad dressing.
Yep. Ding, ding, ding. But what kind?
Chicken Caesar.
Yep. 2 more guesses.
Can't be a ranch. I was thinking of that.
Gonna get a big zoom in on here. A big zoom in.
It's. I know this. I'm gonna go with ranch.
No. 2 more guesses.
Come on. What is it? I give up. What
Take
is
off
it?
your blindfold.
What was it?
It was roasted red pepper sauce.
What's that?
So, it's now Elijah's turn. And we gotta pick out something secret. So we can't pick any of these. Nope. And nope. And we X'd out this one because it tastes so bad. Let's see what's in the fridge. Let's see.
Let's find a hard one.
Let's do soy sauce. Okay. I'm gonna get something real quick. Okay. Spoon's right here. Oh, that way too fast. Put this towel here. Okay.
Coming 1 sec. Close your eyes.
Oh, wait. My name not Jeff? Huh? My name Jeff?
Okay, are you ready? Open up.
Okay. I spilled it on you.
Soy sauce!
Yes! I spilled it on you. I spilled it on you.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Yeah. Go get some water.
Put my name
Hey guys, so it's my turn to go, and as you can see, he spilled soy sauce all over me. Well, I'm gonna get him back. So, what could we do? All these. I'm thinking this one right here, because I have no idea if he likes that. Okay. So, we're gonna have to put it just and see if we can get a good camera. Please work with me. There we go. Okay, so, now spoon. Get some of this. You can hear him whine in the background. Oh, that looks so weird. Did you? Whew. Okay, let's do this. I'm coming in. I'm coming in, Joseph. I'm coming in, boy. Okay, let's see how he likes this. I have a feeling he'll like it because I have no idea if he likes this. Will he like it or will he not?
It's mustard, but I can't. It's like I forget the type, but I've had this before. Tastes good.
Yeah,
like
I've had it.
spicy mustard something. I forget.
First try, wrong.
But you were really close the first time you thought of something.
Like, really close.
I don't know. I give up.
Really? Are you serious? Take off your blindfold.
It was mustard.
Just mustard.
Yes.
Well, I said that.
You were thinking.
I said mustard.
I thought you were thinking something else.
No.
Okay. So we both got 1 point. I believe both of us have like one or two more to go on each other.
This is permanently my
Oh.
spoon.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop here. Yeah. See you in a second. Hey guys, if you enjoyed, then
I didn't do it. It was your fart. It wasn't me.
okay. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, and put in the comment section what you want to see you next.
Bye.